Hi everyone, this video is about Bernoulli distribution. An experiment that produces only two possible outcomes is called a Bernoulli trial or Bernoulli experiment. We let Z be the outcome of a Bernoulli trial. Z equals to 1 if it's a success, and Z equals to 0 if it's a failure. And we let P be the probability of success and Q, which is equal to 1 minus P, be the probability of failure. So if Z follows a Bernoulli distribution, we denote it like this. And the probability mass function is given like this. Z is either equal to 0 or 1. We have some real-life examples of Bernoulli trials here, like toss a coin, which gives us only two possible outcomes, head or tail. And sit an exam, pass or fail. Buy a lottery ticket, win or lose. Apply for promotion, successful or unsuccessful. Okay, that's all about this video. Hope this will help. Okay, bye.